People are making $500 a day with their phone, thousands a month from a digital product, millions monetizing a faceless channel, and most of them are learning while they go. Every week, I'm going to show you how to make money. Real methods, real results, starting now. From faceless YouTube channels making $30,000 a month to digital products created in one weekend. And here's what most people do wrong. They watch videos, they save posts, they make plans, and they never actually start. Here's what I did. I tested everything, I failed fast, and now I want to share everything with you of what worked and what didn't. No theory, no fluff, just proven strategies, things that you can implement today. On this channel, you'll discover side hustles that you can start in one weekend, faceless content that pays your bills, digital products that sell while you sleep, AI tools that work for you, strategies that can print money, YouTube secrets that actually work, and creative strategies that no one else is teaching. Everyone's teaching side hustles, but I only share what I've personally tested, what's working right now, what's worked for me, what you can actually do, even if you're starting from zero. So if you're ready to stop watching other people make money online and start making it for yourself, subscribe right now and hit that notification bell. I drop new videos every week. Your first $1,000 online is closer than you think.